Apple announces iPhone 15 Pro with titanium design, A17 Pro Chip, and 48 megapixels main camera. New design features aerospace-grade titanium and an all-new action button. A17 Pro Chip delivers breakthrough performance with a new 6-core GPU. Pro camera system includes a 48 megapixels main camera with 8K video recording, a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera, and a 12 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. iPhone 15 Pro Max features a new 5x telephoto camera with 120mm optical zoom. Supports USB-C and Wi-Fi 6E. Up to 29 hours of video playback. Available in natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. Here are the key features of the iPhone 15 Pro. Titanium design. The iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone to feature a titanium design. Titanium is a strong, lightweight material that is used in aerospace and high-performance automotive applications. The titanium design gives the iPhone 15 Pro a premium look and feel, and it is also more durable than previous iPhone models. A17 Pro Chip. The iPhone 15 Pro is powered by the new A17 Pro Chip. The A17 Pro is a 5nm chip with a 6-core GPU. It is the most powerful chip ever in an iPhone, and it delivers breakthrough performance for gaming, augmented reality, and machine learning. Pro camera system. The iPhone 15 Pro has a new Pro camera system with a 48 megapixels main camera. The 48 megapixels main camera captures stunning photos with incredible detail and dynamic range. It also supports 8K video recording at 30 FPS. The Pro camera system also includes a 12 megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 12 megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. iPhone 15 Pro Max telephoto camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a new 5x telephoto camera with 120mm optical zoom. This allows you to take close-up photos and videos from far away. The telephoto camera also has optical image stabilization to keep your photos and videos sharp. USB-C and Wi-Fi 6E. The iPhone 15 Pro is the first iPhone to support USB. USB-C is a more versatile connector than Lightning, and it allows you to connect to a wider range of devices. The iPhone 15 Pro also supports Wi-Fi 6E, which is a new Wi-Fi standard that offers faster speeds and lower latency. Up to 29 hours of video playback. The iPhone 15 Pro has a larger battery than previous iPhone models. This gives you up to 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. Available colors. The iPhone 15 Pro is available in natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. The iPhone 15 Pro is a significant upgrade over previous iPhone models. It has a new design, a more powerful chip, a better camera system, and new features such as USB-C and Wi-Fi 6E. It is the best iPhone that Apple has ever made. Here are some of the highlights of the iPhone 15 Pro. The titanium design is both strong and lightweight. The A17 Pro chip is the most powerful chip ever in an iPhone. The 48 megapixels main camera captures stunning photos and videos. The 5x telephoto camera on the iPhone 15 Pro Max allows you to take close-up photos and videos from far away. USB-C support allows you to connect to a wider range of devices. Wi-Fi 6E support offers faster speeds and lower latency. Up to 29 hours of video playback on a single charge. Available in 4 new colors. The iPhone 15 Pro is a must-have for anyone who wants the best possible iPhone experience. It is the perfect phone for photographers, videographers, gamers, and anyone who wants a phone that is powerful and stylish. Prepare to be captivated by the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple's latest triumph in smartphone technology. It's not just a phone. It's a masterpiece of design, power, and sophistication. Let's take a closer look at this extraordinary device that's poised to redefine your smartphone experience. Elegance meets strength with titanium design. Step into the future with the iPhone 15 Pro's aerospace-grade titanium design. This extraordinary material, known for its remarkable strength and lightweight properties, takes center stage for the first time in an iPhone. The result? A phone that's not only incredibly durable but also exquisitely lightweight, delivering a premium feel that's impossible to resist. From the moment you hold it, you'll know you're in the presence of something truly exceptional. A17 Pro Chip. Power beyond imagination. Beneath its sleek exterior, the iPhone 15 Pro boasts the revolutionary A17 Pro Chip. Built on a 5nm architecture and featuring a 6-core GPU, this chip represents the pinnacle of smartphone performance. It's not just about speed. It's about unlocking new possibilities in gaming, augmented reality, and machine learning. Get ready for a smartphone that effortlessly handles everything you throw at it, setting the standard for others to follow. Pro Camera System. Elevate your photography game. The iPhone 15 Pro reimagines smartphone photography with its Pro Camera System. At its heart is the 48-megapixels main camera, a powerhouse that captures images with astonishing detail and dynamic range. Video enthusiasts, take note. It can even record in breathtaking 8K resolution at 30 FPS. Complementing the main camera are the 12-megapixels ultra-wide camera and a 12-megapixels telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. Whether you're shooting landscapes, portraits, or zoomed-in shots, the iPhone 15 Pro delivers like never before. iPhone 15 Pro Max Telephoto Camera. Photography's new frontier. For those who crave optical power, the iPhone 15 Pro Max introduces a 5x telephoto camera with a remarkable 120mm optical zoom. It's like having a high-quality telephoto lens in your pocket, allowing you to capture stunning close-up shots from a distance. Optical image stabilization ensures your shots remain steady, even at full zoom, resulting in professional-grade photography on the go. USB-C and Wi-Fi 6E, connectivity redefined. Embrace the future of connectivity with the iPhone 15 Pro. It's the first iPhone to support USB-C, a versatile connector that simplifies your device connections. Say goodbye to cable clutter and enjoy the convenience of a single cable for all your devices. And with Wi-Fi 6E support, you'll experience lightning-fast speeds and minimal latency for seamless internet browsing and streaming. Unparalleled battery life, power that lasts. The iPhone 15 Pro doesn't compromise on battery life, thanks to its larger battery capacity. You'll enjoy up to 29 hours of video playback on a single charge, freeing you from the constant search for power outlets. It's the ideal companion for long journeys and busy days. A splash of style, choose your color. Express yourself with the iPhone 15 Pro's stunning color options: natural titanium, blue titanium, white titanium, and black titanium. Each color radiates elegance and sophistication, allowing you to match your phone to your personal style. In summary, the iPhone 15 Pro is a technological masterpiece that blends innovation with style. Its titanium design exudes strength and elegance, while the A17 Pro Chip unleashes unparalleled power. The Pro Camera System sets a new standard for photography and videography, and the addition of USB-C and Wi-Fi 6E future-proofs your connectivity. With exceptional battery life and a range of stylish colors to choose from, the iPhone 15 Pro is set to become the ultimate smartphone for those who demand the best in every aspect of their mobile experience. Elevate your smartphone game with the iPhone 15 Pro. It's not just a phone, it's a work of art and technology combined. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Good to Know.